10 metric. I'm going to remove those two. So far are 10 millimeters. Those two right there. There's another one there. Right there. I removed it. Plug. This is the good one. I bought one. One is out, but I bought them both. Headlights. Part number. Brand. There you go. If you're looking at it from the light fixture in the back, counterclockwise it goes in. No, clockwise it goes in, counterclockwise it goes out. There you go. Voila. Radiator. This side's next. 4 screws, 2 nuts. There you go. This one's a bad one. It wouldn't turn on. Different in designs. Same brand. Turns on. Checking it again. The hardest one was the one back there to get out. I still need to install that fan, man. All winter I had a hard time defrosting the window, man. I had to use a small car heater. That little fucker there. There's a junk one. And of course they can't make the same designs. I used this to try to move the engine out of the way. At least an inch, and no good. These are the ones I bought, and none of them gave me any good luck. I ended up bending this here when I used those. Looks like some of the screws vibrate loose in the winter time. Try to get it done this summer, because fuck, this is 2 winters already that I had this. The heater went bad. I mean, the first winter it was on and off. The second winter it didn't work at all. I guess I gotta really undo the engine, get it out of the way just so I can put that fan.